Hey guys, welcome back. This is your host Phil from underKG.com. ASUS has sent us the new laptop. It's called ZenBook 13 with the model code UX331UN. So let's take a look. This is by far the thinnest 13-inch laptop, and there's a catch, of course, with the discrete graphics card. It's got GeForce MX 150 built in with 2 GB of built-in graphics RAM. So let's open up the box. This is the typical ASUS packaging with the paper. Nothing fancy, but you know, good enough for the packaging. And inside the box is the laptop itself. We're gonna put it right there. And beneath that are firstly, the pouch. This is a fabric pouch. This is not like the leather, synthetic leather. It's not that fancy, but we assume it's going to be easier to take care of. We're going to put it there, and following that is the Ethernet adapter. Just like other slim and light laptops, this does not have the built-in Ethernet port, so if you want one, here is an adapter for free. And next in line is cable tie. This is an ASUS certified or ASUS built cable tie, so you can tie up your power adapter. And after that is the cleaning cloth, so you can keep your glossy laptop surface or the screen clean without your fingerprint on it. And the usual goodies, quick start guide, and the warranty card that most of you are not going to take a look into unless it's absolutely mandatory. So we're going to put it right there. And here is the charger. Just like many of the modern light and slim laptops, the charger here also is pretty compact and light at the same time. And that's pretty much all there are within the packaging. And after all there is included, here is the most important part, the laptop itself. This is the royal blue ZenBook 13. There are different colors as well if you're not a royal blue person. Just like a lot of ASUS devices, this also has the circular pattern on it that reflects light in a pattern, and this is actually a bit glossy. There's additional coating on top of that surface. On the right hand side of the laptop, there's a micro SD card slot, 3.5mm standard headphone jack, and the USB Type-A port. On the opposite side, there's the charging port, full-size HDMI port, another USB Type-A, and a USB Type-C port, along with 2 notification LEDs. Opening up the laptop reveals us the 13.3 inches of a Full HD display. This unit comes in Full HD. You can upgrade it all the way up to UHD with touchscreen and additional stylus support. Webcam is on top, array of microphone, ASUS logo, and the full-size keyboard. The keys feel okay, the pitch is fine, and the layout isn't too weird. I don't see anything wrong here. No smaller shift key, no weird arrow key. I think it's good. Beneath the keyboard is the touchpad, the glass fiber touchpad. The touchpads on the Windows laptops are definitely getting better. It used to be a bit tricky to use solely with the touchpad. I never was a touchpad person, but these days it's actually pretty nice. On the right side of that is a fingerprint reader and the Harman Kardon logo. That powers the 2-channel smart amp equipped speakers right there, a pair of speakers. When you want to start using the device, you can use your finger to unlock your laptop, and the rest of the specs include 8 GB of RAM, 265 GB of SSD, and Windows 10. You can upgrade that all the way up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. But perhaps the most important part is that it's got the dedicated graphics. It's not the strongest in the world, but considering that it's only a tad thicker than ½ an inch and a bit lighter than 2.5 pounds, makes it stand out that it's got the dedicated graphics card along with the 8th generation Intel Core i5 or i7 of your choice. And if you're worrying about the battery life because of that dedicated graphics card, you probably wouldn't have to, because it's got the 50 watts per hour battery built inside, and that can last up to 14 hours of continuous usage. When you're done using even that much, you can top it up pretty quickly thanks to the fast charging technology. It charges up to 60% of capacity in less than an hour. To be precise, in 49 minutes. So that is the new ASUS ZenBook 13 UX331UN. I like that it's very slim and light. Well, there are a lot of slim and light laptops, but with the GeForce MX 150 built inside, you can use it to play more intense games and edit videos, edit photos, more of the multimedia intensive processes that would have been impossible or very hard with those only with the built-in graphics card. So that is the new ASUS ZenBook 13. It starts from $999, and of course if you upgrade your specs, then the prices are gonna get higher, obviously. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments, and we'll see you guys later. Ciao.